Welcome to our channel. Today I will show how to set background color in SwiftUI. We will set background color look like this simulator output. Here is the background color is green. This background color is fill up the all safety edge and top and bottom and also the content area. So let's go to export project, then we will create new project and we will set background color in SwiftUI. At first we will create the new project, select the single view F and select next, and then here you must be select the SwiftUI from user interface and language is Swift and your product name is suppose SwiftUI background color set example. Okay, then we choose the location. Our location is YouTube folder and click the create button. Preview take time, load few seconds. Okay, our basic project is ready. Now we will set our background color. We remove the hello world text. Now we will take the Z index. Z is take. In Z index, we will define the color dot. We will take the green color and here is show the green color. Now we will fill up the top safety area. Here is the edge ignore safety area dot all. Then you fill up the color. So our background color set done. Now we will set our content is Z stack. We will take the vertical stack for content view. Suppose we will take text. Suppose that this is dummy text color, foreground color dot white. Okay, then we will take another text field. This is dummy text. We will set the foreground color, that means title color, text color dot suppose yellow. Then we will take the image. We will use the system image name suppose camera dot fill. Okay, now our project is ready. Now we will run our project into simulator. takes time to run into simulator. We can run again. So this is our output. So we can set background color in SwiftUI. Easily we can set. We can use the Z index, and then in Z index we use the color green, and if we want to fill up the top safety area, then we will use this code is ignore safety area dot all. Thank you so much.